Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. Today we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your automotive dealership business. While running an automotive dealership business, you get a lot of inquiry about finance, deal, EMI and whatnot. Replying each inquiry individually would be a time-consuming and hectic task. That's where Pabbly Chatflow make a huge difference. When users send a message, it automates your tasks and save your valuable time. If you want to know how to create this amazing chatbot for your own business, then let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. In this video, I will tell you how to create a chatbot for your automobile dealership by using Pabbly Chatflow. This chatflow will automatically respond to people inquiry, collect their details and guide them through the inquiry process. So let's get started. As you can see, I have already made this chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. Let me show you its real-time working. For that, I need to open WhatsApp web, and over here I'm going to type a message. For example, hey. As you can see, I got a response reply which welcomed me to the Pabbly dealership, and with that they have given me 3 action buttons out of which I can select according to my requirement. For example, I want to explore car model. I will click on explore car model. With that, they have given me 3 preferences: SUV, sedan and hatchbacks. For example, let's say sedan. As soon as I have selected the sedan option, I got a brochure. As you can see in brochure, I can see pictures, pricing, features and whatnot. With that, I got 2 action button as well. One of which is EMI option and other is speak to our expert. Let's see, I will select EMI option. As soon as I have selected the EMI option, I got a response reply in which they tell me that they will connect me with a finance advisor who will guide me further. So yes, here you can see my chatbot is replying me within seconds, that too without any manual effort. This is the power of Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to know how to make this chatflow for your own business, let me guide you further. For that, you need to open a new tab and enter pabbly.com/chatflow. As soon as you search this, you will be on the landing page of pabbly.com. Here you can see there are 2 options: sign up for free and sign in. If you are a new user, you can sign up for free, but as I am an existing user, I will click on sign in. After signing in, you will be on the All Pabbly app page. Here you can see there are 7 applications. As I'm working with Pabbly Chatflow, I will click on Access Now button of that. After clicking on Access Now button, we will be redirected to the dashboard page. Here in the dashboard page, you can add and manage all your WhatsApp number from one place using Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to know how to add WhatsApp number, a button is given on the top right corner named by Add WhatsApp Number. Inside this, there are 2 options: Manual Token, where you have to enter Meta Access Token, Phone Number ID, Business Account ID manually. But in WhatsApp Connect, you just need to verify Meta Business Manager account and link your WhatsApp business account through that. If you want to know in detail how to add your WhatsApp number, we have created a separate video for that. Link will be provided in the description box. Okay, not only that, we have many more features in dashboard. Let's see each feature individually. Below the dashboard, there is an inbox option where you can manage all your conversation with customer, and you don't need to open WhatsApp separately, as you can manage all conversation from this one place. After that, we have contact section where you can create all new contacts and separate them according to your requirement. After that, there is a team queue section where you can assign different tasks and chat to different team members and review their performances. After team queue, we have template where you can create customized template, and by creating customized template, you can give personalized touch to your chat. Below that, we have broadcast section where you can send mass message to bulk of customer with customized template. Then we have Flow, which is a powerful tool to create chatbot. After that, we have AI Assistant, Setting and Get Help. If you want to know each feature individually, we have created a separate video for that. Link will be provided in the description box. As we got to know each feature, let's get started building this flow. For that, I will click on Flow and we will be redirected to the Flow Builder page. Here, to build a new flow, you have to click on Add Flow button. After clicking on Add Flow button, you will be landed on this page. Here you can see a window is opened named by Flow Start. Inside this window, there are three options: keywords, regex, and choose template. Let's see each feature individually. In choose template, you have to choose your created template to give personalized touch to your chart. After that, there is reject. Rejects are the regular expression with special pattern or sequence of character used to find match or filter specific text. After that, we have keywords. Keywords are the trigger message that your customer will put while initiating a conversation. As we got to know each feature, let's get started building this flow. Let's start by giving a meaningful name to our chatbot. As we are making this chatbot for automobile dealership, I will name my chat flow accordingly as WhatsApp chatbot for automobility dealership. After giving a meaningful name, I will enter reject, which will understand what my customer is trying to say. After that, I will enter a welcome message for my customer. For that, I will select a media button and drag and drop over here and connect with my flow start. That means as soon as my customer enter a message, a media with a welcome message will be delivered to them. By selecting a media, you can make your chatbot much more attractive. Now I'm going to browse an image. As you can see, my image is successfully updated. After that, I will give content. For that, I will click on add content and select text button over here and enter my welcome message as welcome to Pabli dealership. As you can see, I have put few message between stars to highlight them and keep them in bold letters. After giving a welcome message, I will add action button. For that, I will click add button option. And over here, I will type a text, explore car model. For next action button, I will enter book a test drive. For the third action button, I will enter speak to our expert. After giving 3 action button, I will give a separate message for each action button. For example, let's say explore car model. For that, I will drag and drop this option. Then select the text button over here. After selecting the text button, I will enter a message. Great choice. Let's find your perfect car. For that, I will give few options. For example, SUVs. On second, I will enter sedan. For third, I will enter hatchbacks. After entering all 3 options, I will give brochure for each option. For that, I'm going to drag and drop this option and select the media over here because I want to give a brochure. And I will enter a URL of my brochure like this. And you can see it is updated successfully. After that, I will add few action button. For example, EMI option, speak to an expert. After completing this, I will move to my second action button, which is sedan. For that also, I am going to drag and drop this option, select the media button and enter my URL over here and select media type as document. I'm going to give a caption brochure, and with that I'm again going to add few action button like our previous message, EMI and speak to our expert. After that, I will again with the same way add a brochure for third action button. Again, I'm going to select media, enter the URL. After that, I will enter caption brochure and I will add action button as EMI option, speak to our expert. After completing all this, let's move to our initial message, which was book a test drive. To book a test drive, I want few details of my customer. For that, I'm going to drag and drop ask question from action section and connect with my book test drive action button. Over here, I will enter a message that awesome, nothing beats getting behind the vehicle. To book your free test drive, I will need a few details, your name. And you can see I have put your name between 2 stars to give it a bold touch. After that, I will select contact custom field as name and format as text. After knowing their name, I want to know preferable model. For that, again, I'm going to ask question, drag and drop this box over here and connect with my initial question. And over here, I will enter a message that preferable car model. With that, I'm going to add contact custom field as model and format as any. After knowing the model, I want to know which date they wanted to book. For that, again, I'm going to drag and drop this question box over here and connect with my previous question and enter a message that test drive date. Over here, I will select date and format as any. After knowing date, I want to know time slot. For that, again, I'm going to ask question, drag and drop the option, connect with previous question and enter a message. Test drive time. Over a contact custom field, I will select time slot and format as any. After knowing the time, the last question I wanted to know the location. For our last question, again, I'm going to drag and drop ask question and connect with our previous question. Enter a message that your location or city. For that, I'm going to select contact custom field as address and format as any. After knowing each and every detail, I will send them a confirmation message that their test booking has been done. A team will contact you as soon as possible. For that, I will drag and drop this option and select the text button and enter my message. Your test drive has been successfully booked. We look forward to see you at the scheduled time. As you can see, I have put all the desired information that would be needed to book a slot. For last, let's go to our welcome message and write a separate message for speak and expert. For that, again, I'm going to drag and drop this option, select the text button and write a message that our team will contact them as soon as possible. I will connect this message with every speak to expert message like this. After that, I will give a message for EMI option. For that, again, I'm going to select the text button and enter my message and connect with my every EMI button. As you can see, I have filled every single detail that would be needed to run this flow automatically for my automobile dealership business. After completing every single detail, don't forget to save your flow. As you can see, I got a message that flow updated successfully. That means my flow is ready to work in real time. Not only this, you can create many more chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. For any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. For any query, you can write us on forum.pabbly.com. And for pricing detail, you can visit this website. Now go and create your free chatbot for yourself. Thank you so much.